Can you tell me actually the classification of the item, or what actually we are selling, the classification?
We've got mobile apps that
No,
we develop.
that's the types. I'm just talking about, suppose normally people say a product, we have a services, two kind of thing. Yeah, and you are selling those kind of things. Yeah, even our Royex also has a product and also has a service. But for me, there is nothing product and services. Yeah, whenever you are going for the marketing. If he is going for the product or if you are going for the service, maybe we are doing the same way of the marketing of the product, how we are doing the marketing of the servicing to generally. We have to know what kind of product or what kind of services it is. Is it your requirement? Okay, or it is not a requirement, but it will add a value to me. So one is the requirement product.
Okay.
Yeah. One is the requirement and another one is the. So first of all, just let me say that it's actually requirement. What is the requirement? Suppose I'm talking actually our business. Yeah, I'm going to start a new software company. It will deliver the CNG to every house. Yeah, so I need to build a mobile application or website for this thing. So this is my requirement. Without this thing, I can't do anything.
Correct.
Now, again, think about Gary Vee is coming in Dubai. Okay, is it your requirement? You like Gary Vee. You want to see what actually he's talking. Yeah. But is it your requirement?
No.
It's not your requirement.
Yes.
But it will add value to you.
Value to my life. Yeah.
But you don't know that okay, this is thing happening. Yeah. Think about two part. Yeah. This is added value. Yeah, and one is the requirement.
Okay.
For the requirement, what people do? People goes to the Google to search it.
Correct.
Because it's a requirement. Yeah, I am going to the Google to search it. But added value? Have you ever searched that? Okay, Gary Vee event in Dubai
No, only if I see it by chance somewhere, I'll come to know that.
Exactly. So how do you see it? Social media. Think
Here's a
about it.
result from search.
Okay, my good researching also. Okay, so social media is the main and the platform for this.
Correct.
Yeah. So our one, whatever we are selling mobile application, we are selling the website designing, e-commerce platform, all this kind of thing. This is the requirement. People know they are looking for it, so that's why they are coming to here. Okay. So if we are want to generate the leads, I don't need to go here. If I tell in the social media, okay, we are developing mobile application, I'm not sure actually how many people actually react on this, but we are actually paying lots of money on this platform.
Correct.
But instead of paying money on here, I need to pay money on here because these the people has a requirement and they're going there. Yeah. You got the point?
So basically, the online lead itself is a sort of a filter that a person who is requiring and it's a necessity for him, he will take time and then send us in
Exactly.
lead. And
Because now I'm just telling you what is actually our mind. Because our product is not actually added value. It is the requirement. It's actually we are the main partner of the company. Yeah. So they are searching the Google and they need to find us in Google. Even social media, it will added value in some other way, but not in our direct sale.
Correct.
First of all, yeah. So the first of all, actually, they will go to the Google. They are searching. Yeah. Now, what will come up in the Google? Actually, they are giving a result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. They will search with a different keyword. Suppose if I need a mobile application, I will search the mobile application development company Dubai, website design Dubai, something like that. Yeah. So all the site will come up. Then what is the people do?
the first one they will click first.
Not exactly, think a little bit different way. The first one definitely they will open. Okay, let me draw like this way. Then the second one they also open. Okay. Second one they also open. Third one also they open. This is the normal behavior. It's not that only one website you open and you just give order.
No,
It will not be happen.
Yeah.
So you are opening 4-5 website. Okay, 4-5 website is open. Now they are going to check each of the site. It's just screening. They don't go for any content. First of all, they don't go for any content. They just screen there. Okay, what is actually on the site? So suppose this website name is B, C, this is A. Suppose 3 different websites. Then what they do actually in their internal mind, yeah, they're sorting it. They sort it A, B and C. Means based on the design and how design give them input. No one actually read anything in the website first of all. If they are going, suppose if you have only 10 seconds to read to see a site, you will not read anything. You just check the images, how it's visualized, if the visual is good or not, and visualize give some information to you or not. Then you are sorting it. After sorting it, what people will do? Think. Raja?
They will check. Okay, first thing they will do is, my impression is they'll check who we worked with.
Mm-hmm.
So
the portfolio.
Portfolio. So our portfolio section, for example, they'll go to a portfolio section. So every website will have a portfolio section. Minimum requirement, they should have a portfolio section. So they'll see if a company works with the government clients or big names, like big companies. Immediately we get one upvote, one vote extra.
Exactly same way. Let me explain you. Okay, it's not actually 3. It will be around 10, around 5 to 6 actually. Yeah. So on this one, so they already filtered it actually around 3 to 4. Yeah, maximum 5. People don't go for more than 5 actually. So if they open actually 10, so from that 10 they actually remove some actually the site because they don't like the design. Their information is not very healthy. So they just remove it. But within 10 to 15 seconds, they did the whole decision. Yeah. Now they are going for the each one. Okay. Each one, first of all, they go for the portfolio. If you go our portfolio, we are showing all of our project, yeah, and we explain what the project do. People internally, they are searching the project, what they are looking for in our portfolio. Suppose if a person are looking for a ride sharing application, if they saw that in our portfolio we have done the ride sharing application, they will give us more emphasis. Okay. Yeah, so that's why they actually go for the portfolio. In that way, they also again they're sorting their mind. Yeah, suppose if I have the project, so they are actually sorting. They did this thing. Yeah, in the mind, people are not writing in a book or notebook or that they are sorting. They are checking the portfolio. Then they check the client list. Then they check the gallery, and then about us page. Lots of people ignore the gallery, but gallery is important.
Okay.
Yeah, people love to see what you are doing. So if you see in our website, our gallery has a very high click rate.
Okay.
Yeah, and this click rate, this what actually I am telling you based on our click rate of each pages. So people love the portfolio, then the client list, then the gallery, then about us. Why they about us? If a person comes to your about us page, that means actually he is already convinced that okay, he is going with you already. In this way, they are actually sorting again the site. So maybe at this time only 3 websites will be there who they are interested. And people can contact with us in a 2-way. One is call, another one is email. Okay. Now, if it is call, to whom you will give a call first? First one, which you like it. This is mentally people, yeah. If you receive the first call, yeah, from him, that means already you are already 60% is that he is want to go with you, because he already checked all this way and then he gives a call, yeah. So okay, but if you are not able to receive this call, because you are busy or something, you haven't answered this call, immediately he will switch to this guy, and this guy also get now the chance of 60%.
Correct.
You are not getting the chance of 60%. Your chance is going to be around 40%. So this is the way. So the first call is 60%, other 2 guys is a 40%, 20%, not linearly. So 60, 40, 20%. This is the chance that okay, you will get a project. But email, that's the actually toughest thing. So because in the email, people are sending a mail to together, yeah, they are not writing actually thing. So even still, that if they send a mail to you first, that means you are getting there is a very good chance. Yesterday we got a lead, yeah. If you see the lead, they send us one NDA.
Okay.
Yeah, the NDA is actually on 6th of June. Yeah. If you see the date of NDA is June,
Okay.
and we received it yesterday, the mail from them. Okay, it's a huge difference, huge gap.
Correct.
What do you mean that they
They
already
started
contacted?
inquiring 6 June
Yeah, they already contacted with lots of people,
on 6
and
June.
they are not. They are still searching.
Mm.
Yeah. So, and also it will give us some other thing. We are not the first person. We are actually in the last actual all this kind of thing. Yeah. So again, in other way, you can say all this percentage is already gone. They are now trying to work with this thing because they are not happy with this thing. Yeah. If we are, how can we win this contract? If we show them similar product. That's why I showed you the in branch. So because it's similar product, we can show them, okay, no, they have done the similar product, they can do it easily with our one. There is no doubt.
The confidence building.
We are building the confidence. Now we have to find it out because we are not on the 60% chance.
Correct.
60% chance, then we can easily sell the project. Suppose the Gilbert one, he contacted us first time. We asked them actually that we are the first guy on our fixed part. You remember that? On
Yes,
the meeting,
yes.
I just like, to whom you call first? I just asked him directly. Oh, no, you are the first guy I'm meeting. Okay, so then I'm just making, because I'm confident that if we are the first person, we have a 60% winning chance. Yeah. Now this we have a very less chance. So we have to increase our chance of winning by adding the value. Why he is actually coming up to this level? Because he is not happy with this thing.
Maybe even they went to the even design phase. Maybe they didn't understand. They didn't like the design or anything, and they backed off. Then they're
Not
searching
happy
again.
with the
Yes.
Lots of things can be
Something
happening.
might
So
happen.
we have to build the confidence, then we will get it. Yeah, it is not that only proposal will build it. That's why we are not sending only proposal. We want to meet with them. That's why we are doing the meeting. We'll explain them what we are doing. We build their. First of all, we need to listen what they say. Why they have actually come up to this level? Why they delay there? We need to understand. Based on that understanding, we have to answer their question. We have to convince them, okay, to give the project to us. But how? By building the confidence. That's the only way we can actually get the project. Yeah. Maybe not in the pricing, not in the other way, because I feel that okay, they have the money, but we have to build the confidence. They are looking for a very high design, high quality product.
Alba is a very good big group. Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to actually build it that way. Yeah. Okay. So this is the way we are coming in the sales. But now all of us actually doing some social media. Why we are doing it? The whole process, you just see the whole process, and this is the process actually how it's working at this moment in ourselves, yeah. But there is nothing actually in the social media. Why we are keeping the social media? Social media is working on this stage where people are actually want to give you a call. Before giving the call, they want to see what is actually posted in your social media. They want to see your Instagram account. What is it? Because people love the gallery. I told you, people love gallery. Yeah. So even if you see on our gallery we are adding our social media link. Why? Because from the social media they can see more images. They can see our Instagram images, what we are doing. So we also make that actually reach so that they can get it. And again, people are doing other they directly go to the website, Google, and they write our company name and they search it. They want to see what is actually coming up. So that way, suppose whenever I am typing Royex in the Google, the whole page of that text article and the image section should be our. All the page should be our. There will be nothing else can come. So that's we already maintained. If you search in the Google and go to the image section, all images are our image.
Okay.
No images can come up. How we are maintaining it? Every day we are posting a new image without proper tagline, everything. You can't see any other thing except us.
Okay.
The same way, if you are going for the normal search, yeah, just search in the Royex, you can see our details is actually coming up there. Yeah. If you search in the Royex technology, on the right side you can see our location and everything is coming up. You saw that?
Yeah.
So we are actually maintaining the whole pages. So people know much more about us actually, and they are getting the confidence. What we are doing, yeah. And the whole site, if you see our site, we are using our real person picture.
Yes, I saw that.
Yeah. Why is it? we can get some much better images from the stock image, and with a very cheaper rate. But people don't love it actually. Whenever people see that okay, these kind of faces, they will not buy from you. Okay. So you understand the process.
Yeah.
So this is the way we are generating the lead, and lots of people are actually working on this thing. Every day we are writing the article, because to be on this link, on this rank, this is the important part. Because the first one they are opening, second one they are opening in this way. So they are watching the first one first, yeah. So to be in the first number is very important. Not only the home page, you have to be in the first 2, 3. Then only you can actually come on this rank, yeah.
Like even there is like, if you search in Google, the first few will be ad links, right? Those who pay actually,
Yes.
and people never click on the. It's very rare people click on the ad links. And the best organic lead is the third one, which is not an ad.
Yes.
So we have to get there always.
And this mobile application development, that's the ad rate $23
Per click.
USD per click in UAE. It is not possible for us to actually spend. And what happens if you pay this thing, all our people who are actually looking for a job, they will actually click there. Not my client. So I'm just losing the money.
All these
And
ads.
the website,
You go down.
website is at 35 USD now
Go down.
for
Go
the
down.
first page. Can you imagine 35 USD? That means almost $100, 100 dirham. You are paying only for one click.
Per click.
Per click. In Dubai market, this is the Dubai market. So that's what I'm saying. For a new company to come in the Dubai market is really tough. Yeah, and for us to come on this rank, it takes actually long year.
Okay.
So we are already on the first page. So now we are getting the lead actually from normally. Yeah, but we have to maintain this thing. So how we are maintaining? We are writing a new article. That's why I'm telling you that okay, you have to write an article. Every one of us. Suppose you saw a new project actually comes up in the market, new website comes up, new mobile application comes up. You have to just read you have to just check the apps, and you have to write some article about these apps. What the apps doing, and what will be the development cost of these apps, and then write your number. We got lots of lead actually the same way, lots of lead.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just writing the Cafu apps, how to develop the apps actually Cafu, and what will be the costing for that, and lots of people who actually interested to develop the same kind of apps call us.
Not same, like even same kind of application. Even people like Kafu has a very good design, so they'll like search how to develop an application like Kafu. So it's because of the design. So first link is, if you search in Google, the first will be ours, Royex Technologies. So when adds a brand value over there, and they will think that we developed Kafu.
Yeah,
It's not that actually. Maybe sometimes they are mistaken.
Yeah, sometimes they are mistaken.
But I'm not expecting that okay they believe it.
Yeah, because we are writing there. We are writing there. We didn't develop it, but still we are getting the call.
But we can build it for you.
So where do you post this article? On the website?
On our website, we have a very rich blog section. Very rich blog section. Okay. Okay. So now this is so you understand the whole part, yeah? How we are changing.